Welcome back to my channel, Takwa FX here again. So today I'll be taking you guys on how you can trade London section correctly. First, you have to know the trend of the market. Second, you have to look for area of liquidity. And third, you have to look for a break of structure. And you go to a smaller time frame like 3 minutes for your entry. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Let's get straight to the chart. So at first, for you to trade your London section correctly, first you have to know the trend of the market. Looking at this market, we can see that the trend is bearish. The trend of the market is bearish. It's breaking structure to the downside. We have this market breaking structure to the downside. So since this market is bearish, you add your sections breaks. This really helps you to know previous days demarcations. So now you can know where the market started at. So we can see that here was a high. You can see that we had a high right here, which the market wicks. The market wicks above it without closing above it. So that was our high, and here was our low. So we had a low right here and we had our high right here. So the only thing we have to do here is for us to take a sell trade. This is when we have to use our sections indicator, which I do use the one with Lux Algo. I've already added it to chart. So for you to get this indicator, you should click on your chart twice, click on your candle twice, then you come to this very box right here. You come to this box. Once it open, you click on section breaks. So you click on OK. So those lines will be on your chart. So once the line is on your chart, now you enable your indicator. Now this indicator, the one I enable two sections, which is my Sydney and my London. So I'm going to be trading only London section. So this very box here, this very box right here indicates London. You can see it written London section. So the only thing I'm to do at this point is for me to look at if the market is below my 35 moving average, which is right there. So if the market is below the 35 moving average, I'm going to be taking a sell trade. Note, this is my 1 hour. Now I have to go to my M15. So on my M15, I'm waiting for London section to open. Once this London section open, I'm waiting for a break of structure inside this zone, which happens right there. You can see that the market closed below this very zone. It gives a BOS right there. So as the market gave BOS right there, my own now is for me to look for a recent zone that had broken structure to the downside. But in this scenario, we have two. I have one right here and I have another one right here. So my aim is to enter trade based on 3 minutes candle. So right here, I'm right here I'm on my 3 minutes. So this is my 3 minutes. On my 3 minutes, I'm looking for that OB that lead to this break of structure to the downside, which happens to be this very one right here, which happens to be this zone right there. that candle right there is the one that lead to break of this structure. And this zone was very sweet because if you look close, you see the zone even has an imbalance inside there. So that was where I placed my entry right at this candle right there, and my stop loss becomes come in a bit at that zone. It comes in a bit on that zone, so I have to split my entry. Guys, sorry for the background noise. So I have to split my entry at this point, since the zone at this very M15 zone consists of two. If I was to risk 2%, I'll be risking 1% per each zone. So that was what happened here. I'm going to be targeting my daily zone. If there is imbalance inside daily zone, that is where I'm going to be targeting. And this is where I was able to, God, you can see 1 to 22 RR on this. It doesn't happen like this all the time, but you should wait for the market to create, to gives you the reason for you to take a trade, meaning you should be looking at the bigger time frame. You can either use 4-hour chart to be your bigger time frame, or you can easily use H1 for it to be your bigger time frame, for you to know the trend of the market before you really comes in to make any decisions in the market. So guys, if you are watched up till this point, please do me a favor by clicking on the likes button, turn on notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. As I round up the curtain right here, I remain Aqua FX. Thank you guys.